Hello students, in this video we will discuss one very important question, social science, civics, and the question is the steps taken by the UNO for the establishment of world peace during this period from 1945 till today. Very important question. If it is in your syllabus, please you see uh, try to prepare this question. And the question uh, uh, is discuss the steps taken by the UNO for the establishment of world peace. Then number one, in you see formation of uh, disarmament commission. The UNO formed disarmament commission in 1952, and the motive behind the formation of this commission was to check the military strength of a country. It also checks the number of weapons of a country, and this way the UNO tries to establish world peace and prevent war. Next is accord treaty. The UNO tries to prevent war through different treaties, by according different treaties with the countries of the world. You know, some treaties are given here. The partial test ban treaty 1963, it was accorded. Outer space treaty in 1967, strategic arms reduction treaty in 1993, and comprehensive test ban treaty accorded in 1996. This way UNO tries to prevent war and establish world peace. Preventive diplomacy. Preventive diplomacy is a peacekeeping mission. The UNO tries to establish peace all over the world through this diplomacy, preventive diplomacy. The UNO tries to build up confidence among the disputing countries, or between the disputing countries, or the victim nation. The UNO tries to bring those disputing or disputant nations of the world on table and suggest them to end their dispute through table talk, discussion, and mediation. This way UNO tries to prevent war and establish peace in the world, and if needed, through preventive diplomacy, UNO demilitarize the zone where there is any chances of breaking out of war between two countries. Formation of Human Rights Commission. The UN Human Rights Commission was set up on 16th February 1946, and you know, the human rights violation is the root cause of any national, international, or local level dispute. Therefore, Human Rights Commission was set up in 1946 to safeguard the rights of the people of the world. With the passage of time, all the member countries of the UNO have their Human Rights Commission, state level Human Rights Commission, national level Human Rights Commission, or international level Human Rights Commission. This way Human Rights Commission have been formed and to safeguard the human rights of the people of the countries of the world. थैंक यू। ये आपको पसंद आएगा, समझ में आएगा। अगर पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए। मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल इंदिरा कोचिंग क्लासेस सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और कोई कमेंट है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए, कोई क्वेश्चन है तो लिखिए, मैं आपको जवाब देने की कोशिश करूँगा। थैंक यू।